Very well, and from youth empowerment, this week, all through this week is the Correctional Week. And of course, as a country, we are celebrating that Correctional Service Week. And today, Madam Soipan Tuya, who is the CS for Defense, was holding brief for CS Murkomen, the Interior Cabinet Secretary, at the EDGE Convention Center right here in Nairobi. Let's first of all hear those remarks.
To Probation and Aftercare Services Department within the ministry. As Cabinet Secretary, both myself and on behalf of my colleague, I take immense pride in the men and women who serve in our correctional services. Each day, they undertake one of the most intricate tasks in public service, balancing security, rehabilitation, and social welfare, all under one roof. This work demands not just firmness, but deep empathy. Efficiency in corrections goes beyond infrastructure or statistics. It is about outcomes, reducing crime through rehabilitation, preventing reoffending through skills and education, and fostering cohesion through community reintegration. It is also about designing spaces that restore, not dehumanize. Studies by ICPA confirm that humane environments which are clean, well-designed, and psychologically supportive lower tensions, reduce violence, and curb reoffending. Indeed, the architecture of our prisons can be the architecture of hope. That is why the government, through the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, is committed to modernizing correctional facility design, creating environments that promote learning, mental wellness, and vocational growth. The Kenya Kwanza administration, led by His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, continues to invest in our correctional personnel because efficient service delivery starts with a well-supported workforce. Correctional officers serve not just as custodians, but also as teachers, counselors, mentors, and peacekeepers, all in one. We will continue to prioritize staff welfare, professional development, and psychosocial support to safeguard the emotional and mental well-being of our officers. We are also proud of the culture of innovation witnessed within our service. It ranges from eco-farming projects in Naivasha, to digital education in Lang'ata, and to community reintegration programs in Kajiado and Kahawa. The environmental conservation to combat climate change and the intention to have a green service are all to be celebrated. This spirit of kujituma, taking initiative and crafting local solutions is what defines a forward-looking, efficient corrections system. In this era of digital transformation, technology must be our enabler. We are working to establish digital infrastructure that will support real-time data sharing, streamlined case management, and enhanced accountability across our justice institutions. This is how we deliver efficiency for the common good, through transparency, coordination, and innovation. Distinguished guests, at its core, correctional work is a human enterprise by all standards. Every successful rehabilitation is a victory for society, a family restored, a community made safer, and life reclaimed. As we celebrate